guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to put a start menu into your Unity game. Okay, so guys, first here we have Unity. So guys, clearly I don't have anything over here. Okay, so now first you're gonna go to hierarchy, then you're gonna click on UI, then we're gonna click on panel. Yes, so guys, now as you can see we have a very big panel over here. Yep. Okay, so guys, here we have here I have like a dark blue image. I'm gonna drag this into our source image. You can see like this is transparent. For this you're gonna click on color and change the alpha to maximum. Okay, and now it's okay. Okay, so now you're gonna click on canvas and then UI. Then now you're gonna go and put your game name, whatever your game name is. I'm just gonna type game name for now. Now I'm gonna go and make it a little bit big, larger. Change the font size. Okay. Now I'm gonna change material preset to drop shadow. Within material I'm going to change it to a drop shadow, so it looks kind of good. Okay, and now you're gonna rename this as game name or something. I don't know. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is canvas, UI, and text mesh pro. Now you're gonna put this as play game. I mean just play, not game. Change it to drop shadow, and now make it small. Okay. Now you're gonna make another thing. You're gonna canvas UI, right click UI. Now we're gonna put this as. So now you're gonna do it button. Okay, so now guys, what you have to do is like you have this play. Now you're gonna put the button inside the play, inside this text. So guys, now I'm gonna show how do you do it. Okay, so first we have button over here. So now first you go and delete this text inside the button. Then you drag this text inside the button. I mean our play text. Then you make the button bigger and put the text in the middle. Resize it. Okay. Now we're gonna go and make the. Okay, first we're gonna go and change the button name to. We're gonna name it as play button. Okay. Nice. Now you're gonna go and make the button smaller, like I told you. Sorry guys, 1 second. Okay, yeah. Now we're gonna go and I'm gonna change the color. First, actually I want color gradient, so here we have color gradient. I'm gonna click on it and I'll change the color mode to vertical gradient. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the top one like yellow, and the bottom one like green. So now you're gonna click on this color. No, I mean display button. And now if you come little bit down, here we have this normal color highlighted, pressed and selected. So now first you're gonna choose a color for your button. I'm gonna put it like okay, red. And now you're gonna copy this hexadecimal, which is actually the color, and now you're gonna go and put it to all the color slots. And now you're gonna change this navigation automatic to none. Then you have, so now here what we're gonna do is you're gonna this alpha this A, you guys can see over here. Okay, and now you're gonna change the normal color alpha to 0. Now the highlighter color alpha to like 75 or 76, and the best color to full, and the select color to full. Okay, so now here we have. So guys, now you're also gonna make a quit button. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna duplicate this play button, Control D. Here we have another one. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here. Now we're gonna change the text to quit. Okay, yeah. So now you're gonna change to quit. Now what you're gonna do is you have this button. You're gonna make the text, the font big. Okay. Let's make a little more big the buttons. Yeah. And also their text also needs to be big. Let's change it to 45. This also. Okay, so now you have this text and this button and all. What I want to do is okay, so now here we have so guys now we're gonna make a script. Wait guys, one second, we're gonna change this to quit button. I forgot to tell you that. Okay, so now here we have this script. I call this as main menu. So guys, if we're gonna open this, here we have the script. Is now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this start and update method, and now I'm gonna go to using Unity engine dot scene management. Now a semicolon to end it. Sorry guys, one second. Yes, in management. Okay, so now here we're going to create two public voids. First one we're going to call it as public void play game. We're going to put bracket or parentheses, whatever you call it. Okay, and now you're going to type scene manager dot load scene. So guys, so you need to be careful with caps, because few things are caps, you need to look after that. Now you're gonna put brackets or parentheses, I don't know whatever you call it. Okay, and now so now you're gonna put these quotation mark inside the brackets. You're gonna call this as play game, and now you're gonna end it with a semicolon. Okay, so now you're gonna create another public void, which is quit game. So guys, this over here, it's very simple and easy. You're gonna type application dot quit. Okay, sorry guys, there's no activator. Sorry. I'm very sorry. There's only application dot quit, and now this brackets, and gonna end it. So guys, this all, and now I'm gonna delete this because they're not using. Okay, so now this all. So I just copy this. So guys, now after we are done with the script, you're gonna go and implement it. Okay, so now guys, yeah, so guys, here we got the script, the main menu. You're gonna drag it into your canvas, and now you're gonna go to display. And now if you go down, you have on click, and this list is empty. You're gonna click on this plus sign. Now you're gonna drag in the canvas, and now you're gonna click on no function. Then you will have main menu. Click on that, and we have play game. Okay, so now for this play button, you're gonna do this. Now if you go to the quit button, and then you're gonna do the same. You're gonna sorry guys. You're gonna drag in the canvas, main menu, and quit game. Okay, so guys, now what we're gonna do is, here we have, if you click on files, we have build settings, and then here we have our main menu. We're gonna drag that in. You don't have this, okay, and now you have your game. So guys, what do you do if you, okay, so guys, if this is your game, and now you're gonna click on file, and then you're gonna click on save as. Then you're gonna type your game name and save it, and then you're gonna drag it in. Okay, so guys, now, you gotta go. So guys, now, sorry, what did I do? You're gonna type your game name. So guys, now what I have is your game. So guys, this your game should be in your build index. Okay, guys. So this your game should be in your build index. Yeah, so this your game. So now if you did everything correct, if you're gonna hit play, it should work perfectly. Okay, so now this is our game. If we hit play, so it comes, this is my game. Okay, so guys, this is all, and thanks for watching, and see you soon in another video. And if you get 5 likes on this video, or like 4 likes in this video, I'm going to make another tutorial, Unity tutorial. So guys, sorry if this was too long. Okay, so thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. And guys, I'm also using Bandicam. You can see in the top that watermark. Okay, so guys, that's all, and thanks for watching, and see you soon in another video, and bye.